If you want to see follow suggestions on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them. This is a simple way to discover accounts you may want to follow, and it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast and easy how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X on your browser or in the app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar. You'll see several menu options there, and the one you want to click is Follow. Go ahead and select Follow from the left side menu. After you click Follow, X will show you a list of suggested accounts. These are the follow suggestions available for your account. From this list, you can browse through the profiles and choose the ones you want to follow. Just look through the suggestions, and if an account seems interesting or useful to you, click Follow next to that profile. That's really all there is to it. Using the Follow section in the left navigation bar is the fastest way to see suggested accounts on X and start following new people, creators, or pages that match your interests. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.